Welcome to Well-Traveled Life with Jonathan and Jennifer. You know, almost 3 years ago, we started this channel, and it's been our passion for the last 3 years. And frankly, when we started, we knew we wanted to do this. We knew that our mission was to create content that would increase our enjoyment of travel and in retirement. But we weren't quite sure how to go about doing that and what to focus on. So the truth is we've created content, everything from trip planning to cruising to long-term stays at Airbnbs to music to walks. And it's been interesting.
Yeah, well, content creation has never been our problem. We do a ton. We're busy people and we love a lot of things. So we have boatloads of content. It just isn't all in the same area. And so I think this is our opportunity to take all of that documentation. We have photography and videography and this amazing drone footage and underwater footage, all kinds of stuff, and begin to organize it.
Yeah, and you know, what we have found through experience is that YouTube as a channel and as a company and their algorithm, they are really good at figuring out what people are looking for and pushing people to content that they're going to find useful, that follows their passions and enhances their experience on YouTube. And so we have figured out that what we need to do is help YouTube to help us. And so we're kind of relaunching our channel, Well-Traveled Life, with this channel will remain our parent channel.
We're going to take YouTube's ability to match up information sharers with information seekers and put out information in the stuff we know about. So whether that's talks with musicians or it's lessons that we've learned through life and travel, or it's giving advice about every cruise port we visit and all of the things we know to do and not do on cruises, and to share the life on the slow road where we live on land for long periods of time. We're going to break up and do channels. You'll see channels in all of those things.
Yeah, so over the next year, we are in the process right now of creating these new channels. They'll be clearly identified by title and description of what kind of content you'll find in there. And we urge you to check those channels out, give us feedback, and we'll be creating content for each of those channels, including our original content, as we try to find maybe a slightly, or not slightly, but a more focused niche for our main channel. But
Well-Traveled Life is the baby.
Yeah.
Firstborn.
So enjoy. Thank you.
See you in the videos.